Got a next one pulling up on your bumbers. Cheese and bees. That's something that that's something they clean, boy. Alright guys, what's going on? Yeah, so this video that I want to be showing you is actually a I'm actually going to be making the 320 to 210 drift car. So what I'm doing is pretty much uninstalling, taking out the old tank. I'm actually putting in a fuel cell, upgraded fuel pump, fuel lines, fuel regulator, injectors, um, and yeah. So I already have the wide band and all that. So it's gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna do like one video or two videos of this, but I'm gonna try to maybe put like 2 segments on it, so you see what's going on, right? So yeah, man, everything bless, everything's still good, you know what I mean? So alright guys, so I'm underneath the tank here. This is the fuel line that goes straight into the tank. I use the adjustable because I didn't have, I think it's a 22 mil wrench, but yeah, I just used the adjustable. I used a actual extension. I use a double extension. I'll show you guys in a second. To get at the end where you see where the loop is at the bottom of the adjustable, and I put the extension there, and I use it as like a pry to move it upwards to to break the bolt. I also use penetrating grease for the bolt. Once you get it on there, you can use just be careful. You can use this as a leverage. There's not that much force once you have the penetrating grease and stuff. This is a leverage. Pull down, this goes up, and it should break it. So yeah, I was able to break it. I'll just show you guys now, and then we'll continue from there. All right, yeah, man. All right. All right, so I have it disconnected. Got it disconnected. Let it drain. See what going, And we'll just go from there. I have to get a socket that's gonna fit over that part there. So yeah. All right, guys. Alright guys, so yeah, gas tank is out. I'm surprised, there's like a lot of space. There's a lot of space for the where the tank used to be. There's a lot of space. Yeah. So yeah. I'll do a quick little wipe down. Clean it up, look like there was some historian poop in the past from, you know, wherever it was. So yeah, fuel line on there. Yeah, was where the beginning of the return line. I think that's the return line. But yeah, so and then that's the canister down there. That's the entrance. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm thinking about putting on the like the drift tank. So, you know what I mean? So so I can just have it secure, sturdy, and no gas spillage. And then that will kind of coincide with the upgraded the Bosch high performance fuel pump. So I'll probably have to end up running a simple line, probably get rid of that line that's on there now, or run like a steel braided line to kind of, you know, make everything uniform and work properly. Yeah, so yeah, I'm surprised there's a lot of space out here, so I can definitely see one of those tanks being back there, you know? Interesting. So yeah, see Wagwan. Oh yeah, and then this is the big boy over here. It's pretty big. This is a pretty big tank. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, let's see much. That's the filter there. See the dirt right there, but yeah. It's all worn out. Super cracked. Yeah, so yeah. I'm glad I take this out completely. Yeah, there's like a little beginning rust, so it could be something like that. Yep. So what's going on? Look, it started to have a little rust. There's a little rust right there. So, beginning stages. I mean, though, yeah, you can see once it starts, it's not gonna stop. So yeah. All right, guys. So I'm going. Alright, so I got it all cleaned up. Fresh already. Let me not do it like fast movement. So yeah. Let's see here. So I did the measurements from this end and to this end, and it's 19 to this lip by 38. It's like really like 38 and a half, almost 39. I just say 38. Referencing this internal wall here, so that's 38 on the internal wall. All right. So I seen some fuel cells that are like 18 by 30. So it would just fit perfectly, you understand? And then we kind of just run the gas line, through the port there. I have the port plugs that I can reuse, like these. That's all on the floor. But all right, just clean it up. I'll be able to reuse it, or I can get a new one. I can get these probably a couple dollars or whatever, or just clean the same one up, no matter. So yeah, that's good. So we'll see what I want. Take this out now. Yeah. Alright, so everything cleared out. I mean, got little plans and ideas for this side. I think I'm gonna mount the pump and the filters up here, and then yeah, probably clean this up. Figure out cover or something for this, you know. But yeah, I'll do that. And then I already did my measurements for the holes I need to drill. So I got one hole right. That's a next one there. So go ahead and get started. It's supposed to be a 7/16 to get the what was it called? The screw set to get the fuel system mounted. So yeah, so we'll work on that and see how far I go. So I'm gonna fast forward, show you guys the videos, and you know what I mean, I'll get back to you guys, and halfway through, or see where we're at. All right, guys, yeah, man. Peace. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got it all buttoned up. Good already, so I'll just clean up, wipe down the stuff here a little bit and see if I can get those mounted on the tank over there. So yeah, see what I'm going. Alright, grab it full float, looking full. Yeah. Alright. Clean around here, so I'll float out of there. Alright, I'll make sure that's it. Probably kind of, yeah, so try to figure out why I'm doing this. Yeah, why not? You know what I mean? So, like with me, I take things and I take it seriously, and I usually say, oh, I'm gonna change the air intake, and then I end up doing like a custom air intake system. So I always look at things that can be improved and can be better. If I can do it and have the ability to do it, you know, why not? So, and especially if it's a first time for something, why not give it a shot? You know, so definitely give it a try and see how the results look. You know, so yeah, man, yeah, exciting, yay! This is 6A end fitting. You know, and I tested this off of, this is the connection, the adapter to the check valve, which is also 6A and fitting. So I'm gonna match that up. I have the I have some more stuff coming to I have what do you call it, fuel pressure regulator, some more lines and some other stuff to kind of get the fuel system buttoned up. So actually half of the stuff should come today, and then the rest, you know, sometime during the week. But yeah, also got 2 filters. One is a 100 micron and a 40 micron. So they kind of help keep things clear up, you know. So I'll put the, what is it, at the end, 100, and then the 40 right here. So yeah, I'll figure out what I'm going. Trying to get rid of that. This I'm gonna take off. But yeah, so I'll have it like so. You know what I mean? So these are kind of set up like that. Right now, kind of leave them still, but yeah. See what I'm on. Actually, gotta get another one of these. I got the cheap one. No, why not? Yep. Alright, guys. Let's see what I'm going. Alright. Yeah, so we'll figure out things, and we'll play catch up. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright? Yeah, man. Make sure you like and subscribe to me. You know? Try to do something, you know. Try to do a thing on the YouTube screen, you know? So, let's see what I'm going. Alright.